Everyone, welcome back to Goms Tech Talks channel. In this video, I'm going to show you a website where you can find internships. Okay, so before we proceed, if you then subscribe yet, please go and subscribe to Goms Tech Talks channel. And here you can find, and specifically in the playlist, you can find a playlist called Skill Up. In this, I'm keep on adding the free courses, internships, open internships. So like yesterday, I have posted about Microsoft Learn Ambassador program, so you can find it here. Okay, and also the Google Step program, internship program, so you can find it here. So I'll be updating all the free courses and the internship programs in this playlist, so don't forget to watch it here. So let us go. This is the website. Okay, so Simply Hired is a website where you can find your internship. So here you can find internship for college students, and this is India. You can enter any job, any country, or you can even enter India, like whatever the country you want. And here you can even search like a Java internship. Okay, not only for the college students. If you are specific, if you want to gain experience, okay, if you have completed your if you have completed your degree but you wanted to gain the experience, then you can simply go and search for Java internship or HTML internship or web designing internship, so whatever. Okay, so you can just go and search it here, and you can find, this is for internships to the college students. Okay, so internship for college students, this is the first internship it is showing. It is a Veritas Technology. Okay, here you can see, and it is remote. You have to do the internship remotely, and they have applied, like they have they particularly issued this particular advertisement 13 days ago. So here it will be like 5,000 a month you will be getting. It's a paid internship. Okay, so it is like, it's a work from home. You can see here, this is work from home. Okay, and the qualification is human resource. This is not, if you are not under human resource thing, then you can just go ahead and search for something else. And here you can see it's a campus ambassador, that is students only program. And here you can see that's a part-time internship. It's a remote internship, and they are paying 5,000 to 25,000 per month. And the qualification is Power BI leadership and communication skills. So they're not specifically looking for a specific qualification, so any one of this skill if you have, you can just enter. Quick apply, just click here, quick apply. It will ask you a few questions like on the details and information. You can just click here and apply for this. Okay, so this is what about the paid internship. So I'll show you, like for example, if you want to find Java internship, you can just type Java internship and you can give the country name. And once if you enter, it is showing various internship, software intern, and this is Mobze Technologies, and this is a remote internship. So it's a 3 months period. Okay, so it's a work from home, and timing is 10 a.m. to 6 p.m. you have to work for it. They haven't specified estimated year internship, what is the amount of internship, like payment you will be receiving it. Okay, so you can apply here. So next one is Wow Technology. So here you can see Wow Technology. So once if you click here, you can see the corresponding details. Okay, and if you want to see, like for example, any specific internships, if you are into any subject or domain, you can enter here. For example, if I want to know about Power BI internship, okay, so I can give like Power BI internship. Okay, so Power BI internship, and click to search. Okay, so once if you enter and click to search, here you can see it's a campus ambassador data science internship, which is by Career Skills Education Vadodara, and they are ready to pay you nearly 5,000 to 6,000. Power BI intern. So really for Power BI SQL, you have lot of internships. The only thing you wanted to do is what you have to be, you have to gain some knowledge about Power BI. So how to gain knowledge? If you wanted to learn Power BI, okay, so even I have the playlist. You can still just start learning with that playlist. So here you can see that I have playlist for Power BI in both English and Tamil. You can see that here you have the Power BI playlist. You can start learning from that. Or else like Microsoft, they have given the open learning materials for Power BI. You can read and you can just start learning. So Power BI, SQL are the basic skills what every computer science domain should know, domain students should know. And even apart from any other domain other than computer science, Power BI is easy. Like you can simply drag and drop it and learn it. If you want to know like what technology you should learn as a student, so please leave a comment like I want to know, so I can help you, like what are the technologies based on a specific domain. Okay, so simply you can search it from here. You have the distance within what kilometer, job type, whether it is an internship or a full time or a part time. So what type of thing you want to see, what is the minimum salary they are just giving you, when they have added like within 24 hours, which is added within 24 hours is the research analyst. Okay, so here they have added within 24 hours. So you can just create a sign in and you can sign up and search for this. I request you, like once you enroll in this, okay, you will be getting a call. Whenever you get a call and if they are asking you to pay the amount, please don't do that. Okay, so internship either you should do for free to gain the experience. That is one case. The second case is what they will pay you a minimum amount, at least a 5,000 of amount, that because you're doing some work for them. Okay, so that is what you're gaining the experience in doing the work. Other than this, if someone is calling you, because there are many scams which are happening, if someone is calling you and asking you to pay for the internship, you have to pay to do your internship, please don't do that. Okay, so this is the disclaimer I wanted to give. Just verify, cross check 2 or 3 times, and first of all understand whether they are the real people. Okay, they are not a scammers. So please be very careful. And this is you can, if you wanted to talk to me, like to know about your career, to know about the technology you wanted to learn, to get the certifications, what relevant certification you should have, how to build your resume better, your career, anything related to your career, you can schedule a call here. You can find the link in the comment box. Okay, so this is the link, this link I have given in the comment box. If you want to schedule a call and talk to me regarding your interview, if you want to conduct me if you feel like I should conduct you a mock interview before you go for a real interview, resume reviews and career guidance, you can just book it here. Okay, so that I can help you out. So this is what the very important thing. So go ahead and apply here. I'll be discussing about various internship offers and the link where you can find the internship program in this channel. So please go and subscribe here and keep an eye on this Skilla page. Okay, playlist. Thank you, take care, and bye bye.